Hi and welcome back to the Stained Canvas. Today I am playing around with some paper clay and I want to do a 3D painting. So it's going to be kind of abstract. I'm not using any color. It's going to end up being white, but it's going to be very visually appealing because I'm making it 3D. So the natural light will cause shadow and really react with this quite beautifully. So the first step I'm going to do is take my paper clay and just mush it up, make it super soft, super easy for me to spread onto this cardboard canvas. It's just a board canvas that I got from the dollar store. Most of my art supplies I like to get, especially if it's canvas, from the dollar store. There's nothing wrong with that. They work just the same. It is gessoed, and then after I'm going to actually gesso the paper clay once it's dried. The paper clay itself I got at Michael's, so super accessible, easy to get. And I'm just making these fantastic ridges. I'm going to fill the entire canvas with these ridges. Now the ridges are about an inch at the very height of them, so they kind of, come up and come down, kind of like a mountain range. So I'm just going to just continually do this. I'm spreading out the sides to make sure they stick really well to the canvas board. And then I'm going to go in and just fill up this entire thing. I don't want to do it so they're super close together though. I want to leave at least a finger and a half between each ridge that I do. And I'm not making them any longer than like, I'd say the width of my hand, like the length of my hand, because I want to make a lot of them. So this is, and I'm not making them like straight little soldiers. I'm kind of, sporadically doing them. They're not straight in a line. And then once I have the entire thing filled, you'll see in a second. So here I have the entire thing filled, and I'm going to let this dry for good, like I would say 12 to 24 hours. I don't want any moisture left in this paper clay. So once it dries, it does turn lighter color. And then you'll know that it's dry because it won't be this beige anymore. And then what you're going to do is you're going to coat it in a gesso, or, if you have like a solid color, like a white acrylic paint would work as well. I just gessoed it. And then that'll protect the paper clay from any kind of moisture or anything like that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to just put it behind whatever sculpture you want. And there you go. And it looks so fantastic. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.